Meaning of high risk.
High risk.
High risk.
High risk.
High risk. The term high risk typically refers to a situation or activity that presents a greater likelihood of negative consequences or harm than normal or average risk situations. High-risk activities may involve physical danger, financial loss, legal liability, or other potential negative outcomes. Participants in high-risk activities may be required to take additional precautions or obtain specialized training or equipment to minimize the risk. In general, high-risk situations demand careful consideration and planning to avoid or mitigate negative outcomes and ensure safety and success.